Let's talk about how to fix for the horizon error accident. Xbox launcher not working in a simple and calm way. We'll go step by step.
But don't power down your console in despair. Yet we're about to explore a series of powerful practical troubleshooting steps to conquer this notorious error accident. Get ready to reclaim your Xbox launcher, fix those past issues, and get back to drifting through beautiful landscapes in no time. First things first, ensure your internet connection is stable and robust. This error can often be a simple communication breakdown between your system and Xbox Live services. Also, quickly check the official Xbox Live status page online. Sometimes server outages are the real culprit. A quick restart of your router or modem can often work wonders too.
Next up, we're going to refresh the core components. Head into your Windows settings. Find apps, then look at the Xbox app and select Advanced Options. Here you'll find the Reset button. Give that a click. Do the same for gaming services. If you can find it, this often clears up corrupted data, causing launch failures. Outdated system components are a notorious source of game errors. Make sure your Windows operating system is fully up to date by checking for updates in your settings. Simultaneously, ensure your graphics drivers are the latest version available from NVIDIA. AMD or Intel. These updates often contain critical fixes for compatibility and performance. If the previous steps haven't worked, we might need a more direct approach for gaming services. Open PowerShell as an administrator and type get apps package Microsoft Gaming Services. Remove apps package all users. After it's installed, reopen the Xbox app, which should prompt you to reinstall gaming services. This clean reinstall can resolve deeper corruption issues.